Hey guys, if you are new, my name is Makita Kerr. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my weekly vlog. So I am feeling under the weather. I am super nasally, so if my voice sounds kind of weird, that's why. Today I went and just got a blowout, and then I added 3 clip-ins in my hair, and it looks so good. I'm definitely gonna order more clip-ins just to add to make it a little bit thicker, but this is like my first time trying these clip-ins, and I absolutely love them. If you guys have been with me since I was selling like vendor lists, this is one of the vendors for the raw hair. This is raw Indian, and Indian hair matches the best with mine when I get my blowouts, so that's what I have in, and it looks really, really good. I'm thinking about actually selling raw Indian hair because I really, really love how this looks. I really want to sell like clip-ins. I don't know, I'm thinking about it, but yeah, so that's what I got done to my hair. It blends really nicely, but anyways, I am literally on the phone waiting for Zara because they keep on delivering my packages to this guy's house, and I literally just went to his house, and he was so sweet. And he was like, hey, I keep like returning the packages and I don't know what's going on, and I feel so bad because I'm like, this guy's like getting all my packages and stuff, and he like doesn't know what to do, and he's like an older guy, and our house kind of looks similar. He just has like brick around his house, mine doesn't, and it's so annoying. Like, I feel so bad, and he was just like, I hope you get the refund and I hope you get a second one. I was dying. I was just like, at this point I just want like my packages to be delivered to me because I have stuff I have to do, and this is like holding it up, and it's like they have to like investigate. I send them a picture of my house. It's just a lot of stuff. And yeah, and then on top of it, let me just put the sugar on the cake, right? Not the sugar, the icing on the cake. Icing. I always say icing, but icing on the cake. So went to go get my, I think this is gonna be in the last weekly vlog, went to go get my nails done. They're a hot mess, so I literally have to wait until I can like soak them off because they're brand new, and I just know they're gonna be super painful, and I just don't want to go through that right now. So I literally went home, filed my nails, reshaped them, and they look a lot better. Like, you really can't tell at this point. They're just, it's just so annoying. And then went to go get my lashes done, and one of my lashes, like, it's literally missing spots. Like, there's like a big gap right here, a big gap right here, a big, like, I was like, wow. Then I went to go get my hair done. My hair, I think I would have like cried if my hair didn't turn out okay. But whenever she does like the blowouts for me, they always turn out really, really good. Because my hair, like, if you blow it out a certain way, then it just frizzes up back. I don't know what she does, but she's the only person that's blown out my hair, and it's like, it like lays, which is nice. But yeah, so it's just been like super crazy. And I don't know if you guys watch, her name is, I don't know if you guys watch Peyton on YouTube. I absolutely love her. When I tell you, when she uploads her vlogs, I watch them from start to finish. No, what is it? No skips, no pauses. I am watching the commercials. I am watching it from front to back, from start to finish. Like, I just love her. And she's a Pisces, and it's so weird because in her last vlog, sorry, this is gonna be a talky intro. In her last vlog, her last vlog that she literally just uploaded today, which I watched it, no pause, no breaks, watched the commercials, liked it, everything. And she was talking about like Pisces, and she was just like, and people don't understand, like, you have to be a Pisces to understand She is a Pisces, and her moon sign is an Aquarius, just like me. And literally, she was just saying that she's like super heartbroken. She's super heartbroken. I'm super heartbroken right now. And she was saying that when people come into our lives, we are such healers. She said we are such healers, and sometimes like we don't see how much effort we are putting into the person and look at the whole picture. And then I think in her 3 or like her 4 vlogs ago, she was like crying, and she was just saying that, you know, as Pisces, we are dreamers, and sometimes we are in the boat. And it's just, oh my gosh, it's like literally every time she uploads a video, what she's going through, I'm going through. It is like insane. But anyways, it's so crazy, but I really needed to hear that when she talked about like the Pisces. And you know, people take advantage because it's like you're super sweet, or you're super nice, or you're super sensitive, or you fall. And she said the same thing. She said she always like falls for people who are, because her moon sign is an Aquarius. But baby, after like everything that has happened with the pandemic, with like just life, it's so weird because it's like so many people are passing away. And not to get like all sad in this, you know, video, but when I tell you my cutoff game became so strong yesterday, it's over. I'm just in a place where it's just like my tolerance right now is just, I have nobody to blame but myself. And that is because like I really try to see like the good in people. And I am the girl that if you are a friend and you like backstab me, I will cut you off in a second. But I'm also the friend that sees if we're just like in a bad space, but I know you're a good person. Like one of my best friends, we went through a bad, like, I don't even know, I don't want to call it breakup, but we went through a really bad space in our relationship, and that made me like a better friend, and that made me a better person as well. And that was a tough time because that's my girl. I absolutely love her. If you're watching this, you know who you are. Like, that was a tough time because like that's my girl. But seriously, from that experience, it really made me become a better friend and like a better person. And now we're good. That's my girl. That's my sister. And I literally have had like another pause with another friend, and my dad was like, hey, like so-and-so, I saw them and they said that they really miss you and you need to like reach out. And my dad does not like say things like that. So I don't know if she said something to my dad. I don't know if she said something to my dad, like that was whatever, but my dad was like, she really misses you. And she was just like, you know, that was like, you guys were such good friends. Like, what happened? And I, like, to be honest, I do not know what happened. We literally just stopped talking. But anyways, I say all of that to say that, you know, the people in your life, like, don't take them for granted. And it's okay to apologize. It's okay to say, like, you know, this is not okay, and step away. You know what I mean? And I've always, and I will leave it at this, and then we'll get to something interesting. I have always noticed that when I let go of something, something better always comes into my life. Always. And I don't know if God is like trying to say, girl, open your eyes. Like, every time you let go, something better comes. And it's like, if I had let go a little bit sooner, I would have gotten to enjoy the better, the next level, what is better, what is bigger to come. So yeah, so that's where I am in life. It was a tough pill to swallow, with all these new changes that I'm doing, but I'm making changes. Hi, I'm calling because
wearing diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you.
So yeah, they're saying that like Zara never gave them the package, but it's delivered and y'all charge me my money. And I don't have any cute dresses or cute knit tops to show for it. I'm trying to get cute. This summer, I am going to literally work my butt off this summer for myself. I'm working for myself this summer. Anyways, but yeah, I say that to say, like, you guys always ask me to talk about relationships. Do I date? Yes, I date. I don't even know where I was in this realm of this conversation we're having. Do I date? Yes, I go on dates. And I really, like, I was talking to my one friend and she's like, why don't you vlog like the stuff that you encounter? Because I really do meet some like really cool guys, and I shouldn't say cool there, but I say all of that to just say I'm just in a different place in my life, and I think it's worth having the conversation with the people that you're cutting out of your life. But I keep seeing everywhere that they're just like, don't even have the conversation, just cut them off and leave it there, because if a man wants to do, he shall do. Period. Anyways, guys, so that's all that I'm gonna say on that. This on that and that on that. Okay. But my mom is in the grocery store. She just went to get some stuff. She's making soup, and then I actually have to go get a birthday gift for my two best friends. They are back to back. And then I think I'm gonna make my friend a little tray of like cupcakes and cookies and stuff, and then have a, like, give her like a champagne. And then my other friend just landed like a really big job, and I told her I would send her a gift, and I want to send her a gift, so I'm gonna pick up a champagne. Plus she is moving, so I have to get her like a home gift or something and send that to her as well. So lots of things going on, so we are gonna do all that. I'm so sorry that this intro is super long, but I really wanted to talk to you guys, and I'm gonna be talking to you guys a little bit more of what's going on in my life, because I like vlogs like that. And if you guys like vlogs like that, let me know. If you don't, also let me know. But yeah, so that is what's going on. Maybe I'll talk about dating. Won't get too much deep into it, but just know my cutoff game is super strong, because when you have a kind heart, they try to play with you. Hi everyone, it is the next day. I am going on a little lunch date with one of my really good friends, so I'm gonna do a little get ready with you guys. I have to leave in an hour. So I thought I would just get ready with you guys. So let's put on some tunes. Yes, I just said tunes because I'm literally a low-key nerd. You know what song I like? Come Through by Chris Brown and Her. We're gonna start off with some sunscreen. I'm gonna put everything down below. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking, 'cause I depend on me. If I want the watch I'm wearing, the house I live in, the car I'm driving, I depend on me. I depend on me. All the way back, throw your hands up, all the money to make you money. Throw your hands up. ready. I did do like a quick live before. I cannot like get the hang of curling my hair. I have to like practice, but the curls are just, baby, they're just not giving what they're supposed to give. So guys, it is the next day. I'm currently at Staples. I have to pick up a sell sheet for Jamrock Roots. This wellness store asks for samples of our sea moss, so I have to send that off with all the packaging and stuff, and my printer is just on the fritz, so I send everything to Staples to print. And then also I'm returning 2 bathing suits that I bought. They will not go past my boobs. I don't know, and they're so cute. They're one pieces, this one, but the back is like open. And then I have this red one, which I thought was so cute. And it's Adidas, and it's like the back is open. It's so cute. But I'm gonna return them because they can't fit me. So let me grab my bag. I just came out of the store. It is so hot. My phone died as usual because I never charge my phone. It's a bad habit. This candle, it smells like men's cologne, so it smells pretty good. Okay, now it smells weird. It's some natural soap that just spilled everywhere. I am like literally sanitizing my room because I have my room open, and then like all this pollen came inside my room open. I had like my windows open and all this pollen came, so I got this all purpose cleaner. It's like baby friendly, so it's like not all that harsh chemicals. This is the brand. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it. Went to the dollar store and I just picked up some baby wipes because I have them in my car, in my room, everywhere, because they're just easy to like wipe everything. Isn't it crazy that like you can literally be the same sign but you're completely different? So my aunt that you guys love, Leash, is also a Pisces. Her and Rihanna share the same birthday. Her moon sign is a Pisces, but my moon sign is Aquarius. And we were talking about like something that is happening, and she's just like, you literally have like so much patience. And I'm like, I don't know why I give like people like so many chances. I feel like I would just like that courtesy, but she was just like, you know, if somebody does me wrong, I like cut them out. And she's such a liar because she gives people chances all the time, but I think she's more to like speak her mind on things, and I'm not, because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like when I say things, I'm just like, I would just, when I look back on like if I say something, I'm just like, I shouldn't have said anything. like I'm in that space. Like I'm just like, it's just not worth the energy.
Girl.
Yeah.
I'm your phone.
My phone died. You know I never charge it.
You post it down, like up on the wall, you charge your phone.
You should say hi to the vlog. I'm recording. Oh my god.
Where you go?
I went to go pick up. I told you those people requested the sea moss sample from me, so I'm putting together the package.
Okay.
So I ran out of ink at the printer, and I can't wait. I need to send this off to them.
Okay.
I need to be punctual.
Yes,
This I just tried to swallow a pill. Lot of mercy. This is the size of.
Okay, that's it.
It's like a cleanse thing. You should be taking it too.
Make a shit.
You know what I'm about to do?
Yeah, do.
I'm gonna put it in my food and eat it. It's so hard for me to swallow pills. Yeah. We're back on video. Wish I'm so sad.
You ever start forever?
No. Of course not.
Tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships.